Welcome back, Acadiana. David Groner, elder law attorney with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic, back with more estate planning tips. And David, the last time we spoke with you here on Acadiana Live, we talked about a Medicaid protection trust, and you mentioned that 5-year look-back period. Explain that to us.
Yeah, what is that? This is a deal. Medicaid doesn't want you, just before you go into a nursing home, to suddenly transfer all your assets to a trust so they'll have to step in and pay. What they do is they say, you got 5 years, we want you to do that 5 years ahead of time. If you do it 5 years ahead of time, you're protected. But if you don't, we're going to penalize you for each year that you delayed in getting a trust done. So what they do is anything that you've transferred out of your estate by donation or less than fair market value, they're going to determine what that is and make you find those resources, get them back, do something before they'll step in and pay your nursing home expense. So that's what's called the 5-year look-back period.
And shifting gears a little bit, but still on the topic of trusts, what if someone just wants to simply give their children their assets? Why do you recommend not doing that?
Yeah, well, if you give your children your assets, those assets become susceptible to your children's creditors, to their liabilities. If for any reason things get crossway, they could sell it, spend it. You've lost total control once you've done that. So that's generally not the smartest way. And the other thing is there's called a step up in basis. So for tax planning purposes, that's not a good thing to do. It's better that they receive it by inheritance or through their trust than by donation before you die.
Now, if someone has their assets in a trust and later down the road they get in an accident or something like that happens, can creditors still get a hold of what's in the trust?
Well, the trust protects not only your assets, but your beneficiaries. Their creditors can't seize their assets in the trust. Your creditors can't seize it. That's the beauty about a trust. It's a bulletproof safety deposit box to keep all of your estate and all your assets for the benefit of your family and not subject to attack from outside influences like nursing homes, Medicaid, creditors, car accident, lawsuit, one call, that's all. You don't have to worry about none of that if it's all protected in a trust.
Now, for anyone watching wanting to learn more from you about estate planning, how can they do that? You have some workshops coming up?
We have workshops coming up. All you have to do is check our website. They're all over the place. Wherever you live, there's going to be a place near you that's going to have a workshop generally in that month. So please try to attend one. If you can't attend a workshop, I'm happy to meet with you one-on-one. You just have to schedule it I can meet you at any of my offices in New Iberia, Lafayette, New Orleans, Houma, all over the place. Or I could set up a Zoom call or any way that best fits you.
To schedule that appointment with David, elder law attorney with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic, call that number on your screen, or if you would like to attend one of those upcoming workshops, visit their Facebook page to see that schedule. Again, that is acadianaelderlawclinic.com or their Facebook page to learn more.